Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation Practice Podcast.
That's right. If you want to speak English more confidently but don't have time for English classes, this podcast is for you.
Exactly. The best way to improve your English is through daily, simple, real practice.
And in today's episode, we'll focus on one of everyone's favorite topics, travel.
You'll hear easy ESL questions and answers, and then a natural conversation between us.
So, listen carefully, repeat after us if you can, and let's get started. Hey, how many places have you traveled to?
I've traveled to all the provinces in my country. What about you?
Not that many. I've only been to a few cities so far. Who do you usually travel with?
I usually travel with my family. Do you sometimes go with friends?
Yes, sometimes I go with my best friends. It's always fun.
Nice. What's your favorite tourist attraction?
I'd say Venice City in Italy.
Oh, Venice. Why do you like Venice?
Because I love riding the gondola along the canals. It's so beautiful and peaceful.
That sounds amazing. Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I visited Italy last year.
Wow. Was it for a vacation or a business trip?
It was for a business trip, but I still enjoyed some sightseeing.
When you travel, what language do you use?
I use English most of the time. How about you?
Same here. But not everyone speaks English well.
True. When people don't understand English, I use body language to communicate.
That's smart. What do you usually do during your trips?
I go sightseeing and take pictures. And you?
I like to meet local people and try local food.
Oh, me too. I always try the local cuisine. It's part of the adventure.
How do you prepare for a trip?
I look for information about the place and weather online.
Good idea. What else do you check before traveling?
I check transportation, food, and prices.
Sounds like you're very organized. What do you usually bring on your trip?
I bring clothes, medicine, food, a map, and a camera.
Same here. And how do you prefer to travel? By car, train, or plane? I prefer to travel by plane. Why? Because it's faster than other ways of transport.
I agree. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends?
I like backpacking with my friends who have the same interests as me.
That's the best way to travel, with people who enjoy the same things.
Great job today, everyone! Keep practicing these questions and answers until you can say them fluently and naturally.
Yes, try this conversation with a friend, or even by yourself in front of a mirror.
Daily practice makes a huge difference.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell.
Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.
Bye!
Bye!